Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see what is EPF and contribution to EPF and some basic benefits available in this EPF. First of all, we have to know what is EPF. Section 5 provides that the central government framed a scheme called the Employees Provident Fund Scheme, which came into effect from 2nd September 1952. The fund shall vest in and be administered by the central board constituted under Section 5A of the Act. The scheme framed may provide for all or any of the matters specified in Schedule 2. The scheme may provide that any of the provisions shall take effect either prospectively or retrospectively on such dates as may be specified in this scheme. Section 5A provides that establishment of central board by the central government. The board consists of a chairman and a vice chairman to be appointed by the central government. The Central Provident Fund Commissioner is ex officio. Members to this board are being appointed by the central government as per the provisions contained in Section 5A. Section 5A provides for the appointment of executive committee by the central government to assist the central board in the performance of its functions. The members of the executive committee are appointed by the central government. What are the contributions to EPF? As per Section 6, the contribution which shall be paid by the employer to the fund shall be 10% of the basic wages, dearness allowance and retaining allowance, if any, for the time being payable to each of the employees, whether employed by him directly or through a contractor, and the employee contribution shall be equal to the contribution payable to the employer. The Provident Fund Scheme has made the payment of contribution mandatory, and the Act provides for no exemptions under which a specified employer can avoid his mandatory liability. The government has raised the rate of Provident Fund contribution from the current rate to 8.33% to 10% in general, and in cases of establishment specified notified by the government from 10% to 12% with effect from September 22, 1997. Benefits to EPF. All employees with wages up to Rs 15,000 required to join the fund. Accumulation payable on retirement, resignation, death is also available. Interest rate for financial year 2018 to 19 is 8.65%. A member can withdrawal from the fund is allowed for the purchase of dwelling house, for repayment of loans, for the construction of dwelling house, education of children, financing life insurance policies, treatment of illness. The advances from the fund are also paid for the employees for illness, marriages, some exceptional nature such as flood, earthquake, affected by cut in the supply of electricity, who are physically handicapped. Thank you.